Good day, Miss Nilda. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Lilda Principe, 31 years old. I am a single. I have two brothers and one sister. My father is a pipefitter. My mother is a housewife. I'm high school graduate. I have worked as a housemaid here in Philippines for 2 years. Since February 15, 2006 until February 15, 2008. My major duties are child care for 2 years and to 3.
Can you tell us your daily activities in taking care of children?
I prepare meals for them, send them to school, play with them, and read storybook to them. I love children very much.
Aside for taking care of children, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
So, madam, clean the house, cooking, and car washing.
Do you know how to go to market and do the marketing?
Yes, sir, madam.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam. To follow the task of my employer.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
So, madam, I want to earn money for my future and for my family.
Do you have any last message for your future employer?
Once again, Sir, madam, I'm Nilda Principe. I hope to consider me to employ me. I promise to do my best to serve your family and your... Thank you, sir, madam.
Are you willing to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir, madam.
Thank you very much. And hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, can you show your best smile?